Okay folks, today we're going to do a little bit different lure. It's going to be a splattered shad, and it's one of my lures that I've come up with. So we're going to be using transparent blue and black. So let's get started here. First thing we're going to do is get a little bit of a blue paint. Get a few drops in there. And let's paint this dude. I've already put the white, the base coats on him, so I just want that blue just to bleed through a little bit. So about one coat's all he's going to get. That'll be perfect. Now let's clean our brush and we'll move on to the next one, color, which is going to be apple barrel black. So let's get it mixed up and get it ready to go. While this is getting a little bit of drying on it, it ain't gonna take much of the black either, just a little bit. I had pre-mixed some of this in that bottle, so it's already pretty thin. See it running down my finger there? So that ought to be just right. So we're going to just hit the top and a little bit on the front of the face with the black. Let's go ahead and get our black in our brush here. So let's hit that face. Just a little bit back around that eye. That's all I want. If you get that black around them eyes, it really makes them eyes pop out. So there we go, folks. See a little bit of black around that eye. Now let's kind of look down the sides and see if we need to come down just a little bit more there. So, man, that's looking pretty sharp there. Then I'll show you how I do my splatter pattern on them, which I may be totally different than everybody else, and that's okay. So on our splatter pattern here, folks, is we're just going to take that lure and we're going to turn that lure up here towards me. And I've got a toothbrush right here. Got a little bit of black paint right here. And this black paint needs to be thinned just a little bit, because you want a pretty good pattern, so you want that paint pretty thin. You can't hardly blow it off of there if it's too thick. So let's just thin that out some more. And you can get as wild and crazy with this as you want to, or you can do it very minimally. So that's your call. That's why it's called creating. So we'll just take the end of that toothbrush, and put it in there, and I'm just gonna flick it on there. Just like that right there. If you'll notice, you get that splatter pattern down the side of that lure. So let's do this other side here. There we go, folks. That's a splatter shad right there. What do y'all think about that? I'll use that lure all day long and probably catch a lot of fish with it. Okay, folks, we got this dude all dried up. He looks pretty good. He looks pretty even. So let's get this tape off this bill, get some eyes on him, and we'll throw some epoxy on him. Sometimes I really hate this tape, folks. So y'all think I ought to put a little glitter in this bait or not? I think we ought to, and I think we're going to go with a, you know what, let's go with the blue glitter today. And put some blue glitter on him. And let's go ahead and we'll get some eyes and put on him. And I think the silver eyes are going to look very nice. So, let's get one of those bad boys off of there. And go ahead and stick it on. Just like that right there. What do y'all folks think? Silver. Yeah, definitely silver. That's a good decision made by the corporate people over there. I'm not wanting to come off of there at all. And some good eyes they stuck on there that good. Okay. Yeah, that looks nice. Them big old silver eyes on that little old bait, that little old splattered shad. So it's going to be about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll epoxy because I want this paint to set really good. And we'll get him epoxied up here shortly. Okay folks, this thing is good and dry now. We're back, and I'm going to epoxy it right quick. You know, I use Devcon 2-ton epoxy. This is the hardener, and this is the clear, the resin part of it. So we're going to use 1 cc of each, and I mix everything to exact measurements, folks. Some people don't, but it's just my preference to do that. So there's a cc. Be adding a really fine blue glitter to this also. So let's proceed with caution. Let's give that fine blue glitter, give it a good stir, and there she is before epoxy. Let's put a little bit of this epoxy on it and see what we got. Oh lordy. I'll tell you what folks, that's going to be prettier than an abandoned beer truck. Maybe get around that nose real good, around them eyes real good. Folks, y'all gonna be really happy with the way this one's coming out. I know I am. Splatter Shad. This thing will get number 6 hooks, rings. She'll be good to go. I'll fish that all day long, folks. Look at that. Okay, folks. This one's finished up, come off the drying rack. This is a splattered shad in a black and blue and white with a black splatter on it. Number 6 hooks, number 6 rings. It's a square bill. It'll dive 3 to 5 feet. So this is what it looks like when it's all complete. So, looky here. That is a good looking bait. If you're got any questions, folks, just ask in the comments and I'll do my best to answer your questions for you.